I'm starting over. I'm starting over. I'm starting over. Oh. Out of sight, out of mind, you are every time I try to tell you how I feel. I try to tell you how I feel. Eyes roll with a heavy sigh, waiting on another reason why this can't turn into something real. Oh, it's you and me, just a memory. The chapter in this story's almost closing. Oh, it's therapy. Oh, make believe it's energy in all of your clothing. Ooh, I'm starting over. Ooh, I'm starting over. Ooh, I'm starting over. Oh. Out of sight, out of mind, you are every time I try to tell you how I feel. I try to tell you how I feel. Oh, eyes roll with a heavy sigh, waiting on another reason why this can't turn into something real. Oh, it's you and me, just a memory. The chapter in the story's almost closing. Oh, it's therapy. Oh, make believe it's energy in all of your clothing. I'm starting over. I'm starting over. I'm starting over. Broken open by the new. You know, it has been a long, cold winter. When we finally made it through, I feel so much better. The changing weather, I know I'm not the only one. Waiting by the window, trying to feel the sun or something good. I'm not the only one who fought that battle like a window cat, waiting for the spring to come. What's this feeling that I'm feeling? Tell me. What's this look on my face? Oh, oh, oh. Is my senses come alive? I believe again that everything gonna be okay. Hope is rolling, I feel new. Colors that over my, I don't remember. Will we finally made it through? You know, it was such a long, cold winter. I'm not the only one. Like a window cat, waiting for the spring to come. What's the